In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and understand responses in Google Forms. If you've collected submissions and want a clear, reliable way to see what people answered, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through opening your form, finding the responses area, and reading the results with confidence, along with a few practical tips to make sense of what you see. First, open your Google form. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple forms for different projects. It helps to open the form in edit mode so you can access all the response tools. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see the form's title at the top and the familiar tabs along the header. Give your page a second to load fully so the latest responses are included. Next, look toward the top center of your screen for the tabs labeled Questions, Responses, and Settings. Click the one that says Responses. This is your hub for everything that's been submitted. If you notice a small number beside the tab, that's the count of how many responses you've received so far. Once you select it, the main area of the form will shift to display your response data. Think of this as switching from building your form to reading what people sent in. Now, view the submitted answers right in the main form area. You'll typically see an organized overview that summarizes what respondents chose or wrote. For multiple choice and checkbox questions, expect clear charts and counts that show how answers are distributed. For short and long text questions, you'll see compiled written responses you can read through at your own pace. Scroll to move through each question's results and notice how the visuals make trends stand out. If something looks surprising, pause and read the exact wording of the question above the results to keep the context clear. As you review, remember a few helpful points. The display updates as new responses come in, so give it a refresh later if you're expecting more data. If the page looks empty, you may not have any submissions yet. For large forms, use your browser's Find feature to jump to keywords within long text responses. Keep privacy in mind when reviewing sensitive answers on a shared screen, and avoid changing your questions after you've started collecting data, since edits can make results harder to interpret. That's all you need to confidently open your form, head to Responses, and read what your audience submitted.